Let's say you're analyzing your invoices and you want to understand how a certain cohort of your customers are buying, which products they're buying primarily, and at what approximate amounts they are. You want to go into your reports and invoice analysis, and you basically want to group your report by partner and by product, which is what and here I've got here on the x-axis the partners, the customers, the 4 customers here in this cohort, and these vertical blocks are the products that they have been buying. So Deco Addict, for example, has been buying $37,000 of sofas and $35,000 of a 4-person desk, and they've been buying large meeting tables of $20,000. So this is by amounts that the customers are purchasing. You've got another index over here, and you can see a fairly good representation of how which customer's buying patterns vary in this particular example. I might also be interested just to get another snapshot of the data, not by the amount that the customer has been buying for, but just by the quantities they've been buying. So I'd go for the product quantity under the measures, and here in this view I get the overview that Deco Addict has actually purchased 25 sofas, 15 4-person desks, and 5 large meeting tables, and so on and so forth for the other products as well. So this way you're able to get a really nice overview of which customers are actually buying which kind of product.